So I was just recently on a podcast about 30 minutes ago, and I got a really good question that I wanted to reiterate in a video for you guys. So what are really the three biggest things that make Facebook ads successful? Like, what are those three core components? And here they are. Number one is a good, unique offer. Okay, you have to make this experience on your ad exciting for the buyer. Make it something that they have not seen before. Stop trying to fit in with all the noise. Stop trying to sell things that they can find at Target, Walmart, things that they can get somewhere else that they know they can get for cheaper. The second thing is curiosity and storytelling. Ever since we were kids, we've always wanted to hear a story or hear something successful or a result-based benefit come from someone else's mouth, such as social proof, okay? But ever since we were kids, we always wanted to hear stories. We would beg our parents, read us a bedtime story. Whenever you say, for example, if I went out last night and I said, yo, you're not going to believe what happened to this girl last night that I was with, you are going to want to know what the hell happened to the girl last night that you were with. Curiosity and storytelling aligned with the benefit and the actual offer itself are going to make things more interesting for your buyers or your potential, customers. And the third part is hammering home the no-brainer. Okay, why is this thing a no-brainer? Why is this thing that you're selling a no-brainer for any audience or answers all the objections? And that no-brainer part is essentially you answering all the possible objectives either through your storytelling, through your sales copy, or through your FAQs or social proof that people are giving you. And those three factors alone should be and will always be the cornerstone of a good advertising campaign for a unique product or service.